I get it. Debriefing can be hard sometimes. Some groups resist it, and some facilitators avoid it altogether because they don't know how to do it well. But we all know that what happens after the activity is often just as important as the activity itself. So here's a simple strategy I keep coming back to. Oh, and stay tuned for a fun variation I'll share at the end. It's called the 3H debrief. You form pairs or small groups and invite each person to reflect on their experience through 3 simple lenses, all starting with the letter H. Head. What new understanding, knowledge, or skill did you discover? Heart. What feelings or emotions did you experience? And hands. What practical action are you now called to do? That's it. Simple, structured, and surprisingly powerful. Oh, especially with groups who find open-ended reflection uncomfortable. Now, do you like this idea? Here's a fun variation. But first, go ahead and hit the like button. Then try the 3G debrief, where you swap out the 3 H's for the 3 G's. So your group will reflect on what was good, what felt goofy, and one goal they have moving forward. For all the free step-by-step instructions and 30 more reflection activities, just look for the link in the description below. Don't miss our next Lazy Facilitator tips and activity ideas by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have fun out there.